I got major plays, I got shicey ways. Hop in the silver Benz, jump shot, hit a fade away. I'm from Florida, so you know we got major K's. Ghost ride the whip while I'm getting major paid. I got major plays, I got shicey ways. Hop in the silver Benz, jump shot, hit a fade away. I'm from Florida, so you know we got major K's. Ghost ride the whip while I'm getting major paid. Thought shit was sweet, turned them into lemonade.
Hey, how's it going, guys? So I wish after all those cool clips of this beautiful car, I could just be ripping it up and down the street doing burnouts and stuff, but unfortunately I'm not there yet. I just want to give you guys an update on the car. Let's get out of the way of these people real quick. So my phone took a poop, so I haven't really been able to do many videos, and I've been kind of busy on getting the car back together from the last time that you guys seen anything. But I went ahead, I got the taillights that you guys seen last finished up, and just take a look at those. They came out fantastic. That was with the epoxy. All this was being fixed. You can't tell, it's exactly what I wanted. Kouki tails look great. My buddy Derek, Evolution 9 Performance, put a exhaust on it for me. Keep in mind, folks, completely temporary. This is still KA 5-speed AC car, completely bone stock. I'm not pulling it out until I have every single part for the LS swap. I want to get all the parts and it'd be like a weekend, 3-4 day process, swapping over, get it running and driving with the LS in it. Until then, I want to enjoy the car a little bit while I'm waiting on parts. Everything's back ordered, and just have a good time with it. It looks phenomenal. It really looks really good.
It really does, dude.
I got the kit completely fitted. I redid most of the trim. It still needs a little bit of work. Still definitely needs a wet sand and buff. I've seen a couple imperfections in the paint that I'm not happy with that we're gonna address and fix, but overall the car looks amazing. Interior is fully ripped apart still. Oh, sorry, there's people pulling the parking lot. But the interior is still fully ripped apart. It just has a seat in it, dash. I'm getting the rear seat reupholstered so I can put it back in. Yes, keeping full interior. It's going to be full interior street car. My daughter's going to be able to go with me in it. It's going to be fun. Like, I just want it like a family car. If I want to take it to the track and rip on it, I can. If I start it up at the meet, it has a big choppy LS in it. So I mean, I just want something I can drive every single day if I wanted to, and I can take the family to car meets, car shows, drift events, race events, all that fun stuff, and we're getting there. It's right there. Got the LED kit installed on it. I have to finish up the wiring this evening. It's not done yet, but I might have some clips of it in this video for you guys. I mean, that's pretty much it. I just wanted to give everybody an update and show everybody what the car looked like with the kit on it, finished up, and I mean, we're there. We're pretty much there. There's like, I'm taking my time. Like, if there's something that needs to be done, like, I dedicate to it until it's completely done right. So like, I started with the front bumper, the fitment was off. I just stayed on it all day until I got it close enough to where I was happy. I still got to get a headlight. This headlight bracket's broken. It's kind of sloppy. I don't like it, but I mean, it is what it is. They're expensive and I don't have the money to spend on it right now, so I'm not going to. But overall, car's together. It's drivable. Got it registered. It's great, man. The amount of heads that this car turns now is unbelievable. I mean, just driving down the road, it still hasn't sunk in, and I don't know if it's ever going to. This is literally one of my dream cars, and even Derek taking pictures of it, I'm like, there's no way, like, this isn't my car. I've never had anything this nice. I'm glad it all like came together. It's definitely what I wanted, even though it's not 100% perfect like show car quality. It's good enough for me. It's good enough to where I want to respect it and keep it nice and clean, but it's not good enough to where I'm scared to drive it. So that's like a perfect medium for me. I still want to rip on it, still want to drive it, still want to take it to drift events and all that stuff. So I think this is like a perfect medium for me. I also have the spoiler shipped. It's coming. That's going to make this car look night and day different. I'm gonna buy another deck lid, mold that spoiler into it, and see if I get it all done on the other deck lid painted, bolted on the car. In case I don't like it, I can go back to the shaved one. I don't want to ruin this deck lid when I can buy a $150 one and have two. So just in case I don't like it, I can put it back and I don't have to worry about fixing holes and repainting the trunk or anything. I can switch in between. What else did we do today?
I think that was it.
Cleaned it. So,
yeah.
that's where we are with it. Huge shout out to my boy Derek. He's on the camera right now because my phone is junk. But he did the exhaust for me. We put it on the lift. Thank you for letting me use the lift.
Anytime,
and we got
brother.
the LED kit in, and can't wait to see what that looks like wired up. I'm gonna do that this evening. So
Yeah, send me some pictures of it.
I
want
will,
to see it.
for sure. But all right, guys, I just want to touch base with everyone and let everyone know what was going on. If you haven't yet and you like the content, make sure you subscribe, you like, comment, all that stuff. I try to get back to everybody. We're still growing steadily, little by little. Just trying to make something out of nothing. So I appreciate every single one of you that stick around, and I know who you are. I can see. So everyone that comes back time after time and looks, and the positive reinforcement on this build has been great. Thank every single one of you. And let me know what you guys want to see now that the car is like drivable. Like, do you want to see car shows, car meets, like cars and coffee type stuff? Do you want to see drift events? I don't really want to take it to a drift event if I can't drive. I don't want to drive it without the LS. Maybe I will. Maybe I'll weld the diff, throw arms on it, and take it with the KA. I mean, I've drifted a million KA cars, but like when I go out, I want to go out like
And party, dude.
party. I want to party. There's no, so I don't know. Still needs a lot of work, but pretty much the exterior is about 99.9% finished. There's one more thing that I want to do besides fixing the paint, and I mean, that's it. Spoiler, paint. I got OEM mirrors. Forgot to tell you guys that. Found a set. I broke the glass, but I ordered it. But I painted these, and I found new housings with good internals. So I switched everything over, and it all works great. So, and then, like I said, the interior is getting done. I don't know what I'm gonna do with the dash. If anyone has a clean S14 dash, please let me know. I will come out immediately and get it. Door panels, driver's side door panel doesn't even have to be perfect. If anyone has a driver's side door panel for S14, I don't care if it's Zenki or Kouki, I don't care. If it's decent condition, I will buy it right now. So, all right, guys, until next time, y'all take it easy. I'm gonna go drive this thing around.